So Halle recently posted these pictures, these photos, and I was like, I never posted my video of me showing you how I did my curls. It's so easy. You just roll it up. There's no technique no real technique, seriously, because I just put these in and went off a hope and a dream. And it turned out right. I just kept them in for 24 hours. You can pick these up at Walmart or Target. I think they're like $10. So easy. You just need to apply your mousse or your rose water, which is what I use, and some water. Left it in overnight for 24 hours and it turned out great. So if you have been wanting to try lock curls, definitely do so. I am going to revisit the lock curls because this video was filmed over a year ago. It's 2022 and I need to try this again. I needed a retwist badly, but I really attempt all of my styles, my DIYs, when I need a retwist. So thank you all for watching this video. Hope I inspired you to try it, girl.